I've been watching quite a few Israeli soldiers share videos where they are giving gifts to their children, to their spouses, to their friends, the living as well as the dead. In this particular situation, I'm sharing with you Israeli soldiers decide to destroy 21 homes in Gaza belonging to Palestinians in Bani Suheila, east of Khan Yunis, as a way to honor the 21 soldiers who were killed. So they honor their dead and their living by taking life, by destroying what nurtures, maintains, and supports life. This is a very telling sign of a morally bankrupt society.